Okay, this time, given a Venn diagram, let us identify the hypothesis and the conclusion. Tandaan, class, si hypothesis, siya ay nasa loob. Nasa loob ng maliit na circle. Ang conclusion natin, nasa malaking circle. Ano yung word na nasa loob? Hypothesis, which is the integers. And yung nasa labas ay? Okay. Meaning, to construct a conditional statement, identify nyo muna. Ano ba yung mga tinutukoy? Ang integers at real number ay mga uri ng numbers yan. Tama ba? So, to construct a conditional statement, babanggitin natin yon, i-state natin. Ano ba yung tinutukoy? So, our conditional statement will be if a number is an integers, then it is a real number. O, binanggit yung word na number. Again, our conditional statement is if a number is an integers, then it is a real number. O, based on the given, what is the hypothesis? Yes, anak. Okay, a number is an integers. And what is the conclusion? Habongan? Habongan. It is a real number. Next. O, another example. Filipino and Asian. O, construct a conditional statement. When we say Filipino and Asian, ano yung tinutukoy? Lahi or mga as, tao. O, construct a conditional statement. Orchid.
If you are a Filipino, then you are Asian.
Very good. If you are a Filipino, then you are an Asian. Bakit an yung ginamit? Kasi Asian. Start with A, B, A, E, I, O, U. Okay. O, napupunta tayo sa English tuloy. Balik na tayo sa math. O, next. Based on the given, what is the hypothesis ulit? Kirante. Okay. You are a Filipino. And what is the conclusion? Bautista. You are an Asian. O, another example. Rizal and Calabarzon. Construct a conditional statement. Rizal and Calabarzon are both place. Yes. Sige anak, construct.
If you live in Rizal, then you also are living in Calabarzon.
Okay, pwede. Another. If you live in Rizal, then you belong or you are from Calabarzon. If you are reside in Rizal, then you are from Calabarzon. Sige anak, what is the hypothesis? What is the conclusion na rin? Okay, you are from Calabarzon. Any question? Do you understand?